here is Maisto does this fantasy van also. I got two versions of it. I'm not going to bother to open these up. Then this one is from Tomica. It says Citroen H truck, but actually it's the HY. It's not gray as it is on the cover. On the box it's a red one. It's got plastic base, metal body, and it's got opening doors, plastic doors in the back. Let me show it inside. Very cute, very funny, based on an old Citroen from the 50s and 60s, I think. So that's Tomica. Next up, Siku. Here it says in 3 languages: VW Kastenwagen, VW Delivery Van, Fourgon VW. This was new back then, so this is, I think, from the 90s, already kind of old. These are the old packages that were still glued. Nowadays you can just take these out with no problem whatsoever. Nice van. Doesn't say anything on the bottom except for the name, Siku, the brand, the Diecast brand. Painted headlights. And next up we've got Norev. Now I've got many more vans from Norev, but they're all police or emergency vehicles and other stuff, so I can only show you this one. That is a closed panel van. Oh, this is from 2016. Now to open this properly, wow, that's not easy. Okay, just going to do it like this. Got a protector in there. Norev is very nice, and for the price you pay you get a lot of detail. Norev always has prototypical wheels, lens headlights, very nice detailed interior, so metal body of course, and this one has also a sliding door, which also works very well, and no seats in the back, and that's perfect. Very nice. And the last ones I want to show you are loose ones that I bought almost all second-hand, except for this one. And this is not really 1/64 scale, this is a little bit smaller, I think 1/72 I think. This is made by Eligor. It's a French company. It's an Iveco Daily. Iveco is an Italian brand that is sold all over the world except for North America, as far as I know. This is a 2006 van. And then next up, let's take Welly. So Welly is a Chinese brand. This doesn't have a brand on it, it's an American style van. Very light, it's metal body, plastic base. A little less quality to it than the rest of the cars here, but I think it still looks kind of nice. And this one is also a Welly. It's got a tow hitch. And it's also a Mercedes van, like we saw the other van before. It doesn't say anything on the base here. It's a little bit damaged. And here we have another Welly. That is, here it says Mercedes-Benz 207D Kasten, so it means van in German. This is also a TV van, but done by Welly. So it looks very much like the Matchbox one, but a little bit different. Then next up, let's go to FC. FC was a Dutch brand. This is a Fiat 242, scale 168, I believe. FC Holland, got a tow hitch. Like this one very much. It's all metal. Got skinny wheels, looks very funny. And it also has a sliding door. You can see it's already lost some paint on the door handle. And there you go. Opens very easily too. No seats in the back either. Very nice. This is another FC. It's a Kommer 302 FC Holland. This one has no opening parts. Got the KLM livery, the Dutch airline. Then second to last is this one, also an oldie. This is a Husky Kommer walk-through van. This has a metal base, metal body and plastic sliding doors on both sides, and there's even a driver in there. Look at that. Big sunroof to see what you're doing inside. Looks very funny to me. And the last one is a Corgi Ford Transit, made in Great Britain. Has a Porsche livery on it. It's a big casting, but you know, Corgis always were a little bit bigger. So that's it. These were all my vans, panel vans that is. Thank you very much for watching. Bye bye.